Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I changed this project I made for myself in 2021 around December. I've stayed with this coffee table for some good years now. I decided to change my living room by having another coffee table. But this one, I'm going to gift it to a bride who gave me a cake order. So she doesn't know when to give her. I started with fitting my fabric on the coffee table. At first I thought the foam you saw me removing on top, it will work for me when I put the mirror or the glass. Yeah, the glass. So I found out it was kind of hanging up, so I decided to remove it. I fitted my fabric well. Before tufting, you have to make sure your fabric and fiber, they're all in place and they're well organized. So I started tufting. Tufting is the process you're seeing me doing. And I enjoy seeing my design on this third lane. So that's the second lane. As you can see, I'm stretching my fabric well and I'm trying to make ruffles. I love those ruffles so much. And on my side, I don't like forced diamond shapes, yeah? So I don't cut my mattress. I like these ruffles. They look so classy. They look authentic. So I love it that way. I finished the length part, then I went on the width part. Like I said, you have to make sure that your fabric is well put, is well stretched, and inside that fabric the fiber has to be put all together so that you avoid unleveled surface. Before tufting, you have to make sure everything is well laid on the foam or mattress. So I was trying to put everything together so that I continue with tufting. Those of you who don't know where to get those materials or equipments, I always mention the shops where I bought the things. My dear, I want you to know that this YouTube channel is created purposely for skills or talents. I'll be sharing videos related to skills and talents. And if you don't know me, my name is Harriet Dinkins, a gospel artist, a songwriter, and I do other stuff. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and don't forget to click that bell below for more videos we'll be uploading. As you can see, my coffee table is turning out well. I kept on tufting, stretching the fabric, and until I finished that part. And now that is the tricky part where I am now. And I had to cut excess cloth because I joined the fabric was not enough, was not covering the coffee table well. So I had to get another piece of fabric and join. Now you have to be careful, you have to be calculative when joining the fabric and covering the remaining part which didn't get fabric. So you have to do it professionally, you know. So I went on stapling my fabric. After that, I made my finishing. You ask, where is the bottom? You know, I didn't put the bottom because this project was my second project ever. but I will do a video showing you how to do the coffee table, tufted coffee table from scratch till the end. Now I finished covering the edges, and I had to flip the coffee table so that I begin to staple. You know, stapling is fun and it makes me feel of tailoring. Yeah, so I started stapling, you know. I was like finishing on the top. I was stapling the fabric I spared for the top so that the glass doesn't sit on the plywood. You know, I love flat surface tables. You get, so I continued stapling. You ask, why is that pin there? Well, I put that pin there too, yeah. I put them there to help me stretch the fabric well so that when I staple, I don't get ruffles. So I thought of adding more pins.